Hi everyone, I'm Brian. I'm gonna do Making Me Dancing to What It Came to Dream from K15. Yeah, one of my favorite X10 games ever. Yeah, it is one of my favorites indeed. And the game I'm gonna dance to in that series the Howlywood Premiere. Yeah, there are three versions of What It Can Dream. There's the first version which features footage of Australia, Italy, and Berlin. The second one features footage from Africa, Canada, and Los Angeles, and the third version features footage from South America, Fiji, and Tokyo. Yeah, and I'm just making me dance this song because last year I made a dance field because I record myself dancing this song back in 2018. Yeah, I danced this song in 2018. Either November or December, I forgot what month, but probably December I danced to it. And then I made dance to it in 2018 on my old Brian Kuczynski channel. And then I sang the song last year, 2019. Yeah, I sang a song in 2019 with my Polaroid party speaker, which I'll be listening to the Christmas songs on. And I recently did remakes of me singing You Want My Sunshine, The Sunshine and the Star Spangled Banner, aka National Anthem with that Polaroid party speaker. Yeah, I sang that song last year. I recorded me dancing that song in 2018, and if you want to go way back, I originally sang this song when I was recording my blog on 3 of people's longest ground videos. There was one. I think the first one I did was where Ronald ruins the Can't Wave concert again. The second one I think was probably where Ronald hosts a slumber party, and then the third one was where where Rob blew up the Gulf City Arena. Those are all blogs I did featuring. Those were all videos I blogged on featuring K15, and I sang What I Can Dream before I vlogged in those videos. Yeah, I did, but the game's audio, you heard the game's audio in the background when I was singing the song, because at the time when I made that video, I was in the living room at my house playing K15. Yeah, I was playing K15 in my living room at the time I made the video. It was November 2018 I made that video. Yeah. I bet some of you guys remember that. Yeah. Well, yeah. I sang that song before I made vlogging those 3 ground videos. I Pip. Yeah, guys. But I never make me sing this song. I didn't make me sing this song in 2019 because I wanted to sing without the game's audio. So I sang just have my voice, just hear my voice sing the song, not have the game's not have the game's audio play in the background. Yeah. So now I'm gonna just make me dance to this song right now. So here we go.
What you can think of is what you can do. What you can dream is what can come true. Made it this far, and this is just a start. So keep on going, just follow your heart. Round and around and around we go. Sometimes it's hard cause you think you don't know. Just know you're gonna find a way. It's the best attitude, it's the right thing to say. Around and around and around we go. Around and around and around we go. If you search real hard, you can find out what you need to know. You can find yourself, knowing what it means. You can find yourself, living out your dream. You can find yourself, standing at the top. All it takes is keep on and just be true to your heart.
Yeah, guys, that's my dance to What I Can Dream from K15, the Howlywood Premiere. Yeah, that's my remake of it. And yeah, and I also those Christmas songs this month. I will sing those Christmas songs by this month. So yeah, guys, I'm done with my things. And yeah, guys, that's all I gotta say in this video. And you may subscribe to my channel, comment, and share. Bye, everyone. Have a nice day and peace out.